Well, you've been hearing a lot over the last few weeks of the heat wave in other parts of the country. Now we're going to get our touch of it. Tomorrow, even toasty evenings, Ben.
Yeah, it's kind of a humidity wave for us. You're definitely going to notice that over the next several hours, really hour by hour, we're starting to see increasing levels of the amount of moisture in the air. And it is still warm out there, 82 degrees, feeling like 84 at this late hour. We still have a heat index. Live view here with our First Savings Bank cam, our U of L Health Camera Network. So the dew point number, that's the measure of water content in the air, and is now up to 66. That's the highest it's been today. Tomorrow will be one of the muggiest days we've had this year. So as we match up the dew point here with our muggy meter, we are in the muggy levels, and tomorrow the dew point numbers will be in the 70s, and that means it's just simply going to feel like Florida out there and tropical. Right now it is a little tad bit cooler when you get outside of the city, lower 70s in Corydon right now, still 76 in Elizabethtown and LaGrange, also reporting 76 degrees. We made it to 89 today. That is right at our normal high for this time of the year, 103, the record back in 1936. Our humidity tracker, there you see it going way up here to that tropical level for tomorrow, and it stays pretty humid as we head through the weekend as well. And that means when we get a little disturbance to move through that muggy air, it's easier to pop up some occasional showers and thunderstorms. Look at the heat index here at lunchtime tomorrow, already well into the 90s, and the heat index up around the triple digits for tomorrow afternoon. So just that really uncomfortable level of not only the heat, but also the added humidity levels too. A little tornado watch box up to our northeast, and some storms have been firing up off to the south of St. Louis, but still pretty quiet around our area. Here's that muggy map, that edge of that wall of mugginess I've been calling it over the last couple of days. That tropical air is right on our doorstep. So there you see it west of I-65, even soupier air right there. So some hefty heat indexes on the way for the next couple of days. So here's a look at futurecast. Little disturbance possibly moving through late overnight, early tomorrow morning. Severe weather not expected, but occasional heavy downpour possible, especially north of the river as we get started around 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. That'll pass on by. We'll have a lot of dry time into the afternoon. That will allow things to heat up with some sunshine into the upper 80s and lower 90s. And then there you can see it by late afternoon. This is around 5, 6 o'clock. Chance for a few stronger thunderstorms. Still a low threat of severe weather, but some gusty winds and some heavy rainfall and lightning and thunder will be possible with any storm that does begin to pop up. For Friday, mostly dry and again hot and humid with those temperatures in the upper 80s and lower 90s. So warm and humid for tonight. Our temperatures don't drop off much more with our low temperatures in the 70s, a midsummer-like night. For tomorrow, a few storms late in the day especially, but again, a couple downpours possible first thing tomorrow morning as well, mainly north of Louisville. After a high of 90 degrees, a couple of those evening showers and thunderstorms could persist. 91 on Friday and mainly dry, and then about a 60% chance of a round of showers and thunderstorms on Saturday with a high of 87, and then mostly dry on Sunday. So if you have some outdoor plans, Sunday it looks like the better pool day. Staying a bit humid with some occasional showers and thunderstorms early next week.